Have you ever wondered what the difference between an actual full straight pipe, you know, which is just tubing all the way to the back, no muffler, you know, what the difference between that sound is compared to a straight pipe but with the muffler in the back? Well, stay tuned to this video because you're fixing to find out. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time. I finally have had enough time to do it, and well, it's time for me to show you guys the difference between a real straight pipe Supra 4-inch straight pipe. That means it's just piping from the turbo down all the way to the back. There is no resonators, no mufflers, no nothing. So let me show you what that sounds like. So as you guys can see, it sounds pretty loud, and this is actually with a log manifold. If it had like a, you know, one of those equal length manifolds with the actual runners, it would sound even louder. Now a lot of people keep saying that whenever you put a muffler, as I just recently did, I put a muffler on this just to quiet it down a little bit, just for the meantime. It is removable, so I made it to where you could take it on and off, and I have the straight pipe there so I can put it back to that straight pipe at any moment in time. Now a lot of people say that having a muffler there is still a straight pipe. This is why I always say it's not. Now let me go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like driving it with a muffler on, so you'll see the comparison between driving it with the straight pipe and driving it with a muffler. Well, there you go. I'm sure you guys can notice the difference between driving it with the straight pipe, driving it with the muffler on it. So now let's go ahead and show you what it sounds like from the outside, giving it a few revs. Now hopefully you guys can tell the difference between a true straight pipe Supra and one with a straight pipe and a muffler on it. Whenever it has a muffler on it like that, in my opinion, it is not a straight pipe. A straight pipe is the definition, a straight pipe all the way to the back, not with the muffler. So I don't know, maybe, I know a lot of you guys are gonna, you know, argue with me on this, and it's going to be up for debate whether it's a straight pipe or not. In my opinion, it's not. Hopefully this video shows you guys the difference between, you know, one and the other. At the end of the day, they both still sound really good. It's just that I always find it funny how a lot of people say they straight pipe their car, but then there's a big muffler on the back. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm probably gonna do another driving video, maybe one more driving video with this car, and I'm gonna do some mics and stuff so you guys can get like a really good audio from the turbo and the exhaust. And then after that, I'm gonna tear it all apart, get the diff done, get the new fuel system done, and it's all for tuning. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. Later.